Flutterflow Schedule. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Go to your website and search for Flutterflow. Log in or sign in to your account. Now create a new project by clicking Create New to get started. Navigate to the template search bar and search for Schedule to find relevant templates. Select 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗶𝗲𝗀𝗀 Automated Scheduling UI by clicking Use Template to add it to your project. Set your project name to personalize your workspace. Now, if you want to edit the template, just go to the widget tree and choose the widget you want to edit. For example, if you want to edit the title text located in the widget tree, just click the text element and then go to the right bar to edit it with your desired changes. The right panel will show all the properties you can modify for that specific widget. After you've finished customizing the template to your needs, if you want to use the template in your VS Code environment, just go to the Developer menu and click Open in VS Code to continue working on your project locally.